we're going to complete our header by including the telephone number in the header. So we're going to double click up here, right? And what we're going to do, we're going to need some more space here. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to expand here, right? Then I'm going to go to insert, click the drop down arrow for the draw text box. I'm going to click here and I'm going to click right here. And then I'm going to type the phone number. So I'm going to pretend that the phone number is 123 dash 444 dash 5555. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to right click and oh, we have it up here. So we're going to the field, we're going to change the color so that it is the same color. So I'm going to choose this one. Then the outline for the shape, I'm going to come here. I'm going to choose no outline, right? And then the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to click the home tab. Then I'm going to click the center option here, the button there, and there it is centered. Then I'm going to center right, right? And I'm going to change the font size there from 11 to 12, right? And I'm going to shift it up a bit, right? So this is how you would include the telephone number in your header as a part of your letterhead, okay? So let me scroll down and show you that it is there also, right? I'm going to change the font color of the telephone number that we typed not too long ago. So I'm going to double click in the top section to open the header. Then I'm going to click in here. I'm going to highlight the telephone number. Then I'm going to click the home tab. Then I'm going to click here where it's in the font group. I'm going to click here to change the font color. And I'm going to click this drop down arrow. And I'm going to choose the same yellow that I used to type the address in the previous video, okay? So when I click outside, now you see that we have the font color of the telephone number being the same color as the street address. Let me see, this was what, for the street address, the font size is 14. So we're gonna change our font size for telephone number to 14 also. So I'm gonna click here, choose 14. And what I'm gonna have to resize this so that we can see all of the numbers. And this is how you would change the font color and also the font size of the text in the header. And in our video, we placed the letterhead in our header. Now, if you look in your header, you will realize that here the software highlighted blue sky. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix it. So we're gonna click here, then we're going to right click and let us look at the suggestion. All right, so how we're gonna fix it now, we're gonna pretend that our road is one blue sky road, and this will get rid of um, the red line that is indicating that we had a typographical error there. And if we scroll down, we can see that on the second page, we have the telephone number in the correct color, right? So how we close the header, we can press escape on the keyboard this is how you would return to the document so that you can continue typing.